Hello, my name is Amy Finch.
And I'm Dee Morgan.
We are the founders of Calculating Minds. Thank you for taking a moment to hear about one of our most exciting programs, Kids Club, our math program for 4 to 6-year-olds.
Only about 34% of children attend preschool, and only minimal time there is spent in learning math, even though it is critical to maximize their brain development.
The impact of math learning boosts their cognitive reasoning, executive functioning, memory, and much more.
In fact, the benefits affect high school performance in not only math, but in all subjects.
Reading literacy is promoted far more than math literacy. Even though the value of early math learning is unmatched, reading is important, which is why each Kids Club session starts with a great book featuring a math concept.
Our teachers use song, movement, and art to reinforce the math with our littles. While they interact with others having a great time, they are learning math and firing off synapses in their brains.
We are very proud of Kids Club. With this innovative program, we know that our students are getting a step ahead with their academic futures.
We hope you consider giving your child this unique and impactful advantage. You can find out more on our website, or reach out with an email, or give us a phone call.
Thanks again for taking the time to hear about Kids Club.